everyone, Adam here, and today we're looking at this fresh gravel bike build. It's a SuperSomething from Sklar bikes, so let's go ahead and hop right in. Starting at the front of the bike, you'll notice the boxcar stem from Paul Components. That's machined in Chico, California. One of the nicest stems you can buy, in my opinion. And we paired that with the SimWorks Wanderer handlebar, which is a nice shape. Not too wide, not too narrow. And of course you can't miss that beautiful bar tape from Camp and Go Slow. The shifters and brake levers are the Sram Force, which pairs up with a 1x11 derailleur and cassette in the back, and is also linked up to some Paul Klampers, which we'll talk about more later. But this is an all mechanical bike, and you might also notice that nice cable housing, which is from SimWorks as well. Really ties the room together nicely. As we go look at the drivetrain, we've got that 1x11 SRAM rival derailleur paired up with the White Industries G30 crankset. These cranks are also machined in California by our friends at White Industries, and it's just such a beautiful crank. One of my favorite bike parts. Here we can take a look at the external routing that the SuperSomething has. External routing makes it way easier to work on your bike, or if you want to make swaps or anything like that. And also it makes for less friction and the brakes and shifting, so your bike runs better, which is always nice too. Also that third cargo cage under the down tube. Here's those Paul Klamper mechanical disc brakes we talked about earlier. These brakes, they work so well. Great power, great modulation, and they almost never need any maintenance. You just move in the brake pads a little bit as they wear down, and then replace them when you need. For wheels, this build uses the Astral Outback carbon rims, and those are paired to a White Industries CLD hub in high polished silver. Pretty darn nice wheel set. Some other fun bits on here are a titanium C-post from Sklar and the classic Brooks B17 Saddle. Titanium is a naturally flexy material, so it gives you more compliance in your C-post and a more comfortable place to sit. Paired with the Brooks saddle, it's a super nice combo. Then of course we also have the titanium bottle cages from Sklar. Some nice shapes, lightweight, holds your bottle nice and good. And there you have it, one super nice gravel bike build. Really psyched on how this bike came out. You can learn more about the SuperSomething at sklarbikes.com, and we're happy to build one up for you just like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.